Reattaching the crank handle. Clean any excess debris from the crank handle. With screw in place, add the spacer washers back on. Followed by the spring. Use your thumb to hold the screw in its place and insert the assembly into the stabilizer. With the Phillips screwdriver, tighten the screw until it is securely started. Then finish tightening the screw while rotating the handle counterclockwise. You will feel the handle notch into its seat. Check that everything cranks smoothly and the gear turns with the handle. The assembly is complete.